name is Sulaiman Khan. I am working as a faculty member in School of Business and Management, Islamabad. I am teaching financial accounting, reporting, and taxation to the ACCA students. Financial accounting and reporting is the backbone of accountancy, as the reports which are shown to the general public are prepared using the financial accounting standards, which are governed by the International Accounting Standards Board's rules. Furthermore, taxation is the most concerned matter for all businesses and to the individuals as well. My hometown is Nankana Sahib, but I was born and grew up in Islamabad, the beautiful city of Pakistan. I received my early education from St. Mark's High School, Rawalpindi, which was an awesome experience with many unforgettable lifelong memories. I still miss those beautiful days, as that was the golden period of my life. As said by someone that old is gold. Now I understand the real meaning of that gold. From my school life, I was impressed by one of my cousins, who is a chartered accountant in UP. And that showcase of success had made me lean towards making this decision. And so I decided to join ACCA and enrolled in CAT, as that was a prerequisite to the qualification. During my qualification, I always wanted to be like my teachers because of their knowledge, style, and habits. My teachers always guided me throughout my career, and because of their utmost work and the prayers of my parents, I completed my ACCA in June 2013. After completing ACCA, I realized that it is a good foundation to begin with a career. But I had many stairs to climb. So in 2014, I started ICAW, and that will be concluded very soon. I was fresh when I decided to join SPM, as at that time, I forecasted teaching as my passion. So after attempting the last paper of ACCA, I applied for a job in SPM as a teacher assistant. After sending my resume, I started to prepare myself by reading the books and notes which I had prepared during the ACCA. Finally, I reached for the interview. The interview was of two parts. The one was negotiation and the other was demonstration class, which I was told to teach with a handful number of students, and obviously the subject expert teachers were also present. The class was my first class where I was giving the lecture. I was nervous because the experts were sitting front to me, but somehow I managed to go forward. After that interview, I waited for the call, and soon I received the call from SPM offering the post of teacher assistant for financial reporting and taxation. I was very happy by such blessing of God upon me. After 1 year of working in SPM as a teacher assistant, I was promoted to the post of a teacher, which was another milestone which I had achieved. My next target was to be the senior faculty of SPM, to which I was promoted after a year. And till date, I am working in SPM in a very relaxed and helpful environment. My teaching experience has been very interesting, and I never felt that I am in the wrong field, as the top management of SPM is very cooperative. I am teaching in SPM from last 4 years, and in this tenure, I always found myself motivated and determined to deliver the deepest knowledge and concept to the students. I always try to create a friendly environment in class, which helps even the shy students to freely discuss any concerns they have regarding the concepts and the overall lecture. I gather students around and teach them wherever they want me. In order to have grip on the specific topic, I always focus on excessive practice, and as I believe on the old saying that practice makes a man perfect. For me, teacher-centered model worked extremely very well. As per the model, the outcome should be good results, which I am proud of achieving excellent passing rates in all subjects I teach here at SPM. At SPM, I feel as if I belong to a huge family. I recommend students to adopt accountancy as their professional education, one who have appetite for finance. And if it is ACCA or CA, then there is no good place other than SPM. I would like you to subscribe our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Links are in the description.
Studying from Sir Sulaiman is very good experience for me because he is very competent and visible teacher for paper F3 and F9 and F6.
I'm a student of Sir Salman in FA1, FA2, and I have a great experience with Sir Salman. He's smart, genius, intelligent, and most importantly, he's frankness with everyone. Sometimes I get bored in a class, so that's why I tell some jokes and make my mind fresh to start it again. And he's one of the best teacher in my whole student career.
I'm student of Sir Salman. He is very supportive teacher. He is always available after class. He always emphasizes on excessive question practice.
So how's your experience about Sir Salman?
Mr. Salman is a good person in field of ACCA. I think he is a qualified teacher and he have a good concepts. He teaches students in a well way. He is very much cooperative with the class. Students are inspired by his personality.
I wish all students good luck for the day.